It's super insane, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to get Grand Mobile RP hack for iOS and Android. So let me just open it up. And as you can see, guys, on the Grand Mobile RP, we're broke, but we are going to turn on free coins. All right, so let me just turn this on and let's see if our coins go up. So as you can see, guys, this is the balance right now, really bad. So hopefully it starts increasing, and then we're going to get down and dirty into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to get rich. So let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it's working. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device, iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So what we're going to do, guys, is go over to matrixmods.com, I'm pretty sure. So let me just type that in. And then on this site, there's going to be a number of apps. It's actually going to be tweakmod.com. Sorry about that. So type in Grand Mobile RP, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So we just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from official app store, and then we're going to get rich, guys. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see, guys, so yes, it's super cool, and it is totally updated, so you can enjoy it right away. So anyway, there is going to be that last step we have to do, which is the verification, but it is fairly easy, guys. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files, so you just want to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. You know, whatever. Mode Casino, Travel Town says reach level 9. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. If you feel lost, guys, just go ahead and press help, and you're going to be good to go. Oh, they don't have that on this site. That's on the other site. But yeah, super crazy, guys. So peace out and enjoy it.